Hi, I'm Wes Colson, and this is your Estate Planning Minute. I want to talk to you about specific bequests of property. That's the phrase used to describe it when you give someone a particular piece of real estate or item of personal property, bank or investment account, or amount of money in your will or trust. A couple things you need to know that you may not know. First of all, if you don't still have that item when you die, that bequest abates, which basically means that the beneficiary doesn't get anything. You don't substitute replacement property that you may have obtained. They don't get anything else of equivalent value. They're just, if you don't have it, they're out. The second thing you need to know is that specific bequests are satisfied before what are known as general or residual bequests. Give you an example and tell you how that can skew your estate plan. Let's say you've got 2 children, 5 grandchildren, you've got $300,000. You leave the grandkids $10,000 apiece and your kids half of the rest. You think, okay, the kids are going to get the lion's share. But if you die having only $60,000, the grandkids still get their $10,000 apiece and your children only get $5,000 apiece. Probably not what you intended. Thanks.